Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shayla, and for today's video, or for this week's video, I'm going to be doing my graduation makeup look. The look I took for graduation, the look I gave myself for graduation, because I did just graduate from high school May 29th, which I couldn't vlog because I was running late and I just didn't have time to vlog, which I regret now. But yes, this is kind of the look I went for graduation, kind of like a soft deep pink look. If you guys want to know how to get this look, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over my face, especially in the cheek and nose area, to get that kind of, you know, I have a little pimple right here. And T-zone. After my moisturizer, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the ABH Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. And I'm going to go ahead and with the spoolie and kind of brush the eyebrows upwards on both sides. Just quick and easy. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with a small angled brush. And I am just going to kind of outline, not outline, but kind of underline the shape of my eyebrow. Top and bottom. And then in the front, I'm going to go ahead and just flick it upwards. The Maybelline New York Master Prime Face Studio. It's in the number 100. This little pelito. So the number 100. It's Blur and Smooth, and I just go ahead and prime my face. I usually stick to kind of my T-zone, my nose area, due to it being really dry. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my eyebrows with my Ratchet, what is this, Beauty Treats Concealer Palette. And I'm just gonna take the the 5th shade, which is this one. I'm almost out of it, but I mean, it's okay, any concealer will do. And I'm just gonna go ahead and clean out my, carve out or clean out my eyebrows. The 4th color, which is kind of the lightest, not the lightest, but the next lightest shade to the 5th one that I used. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put this all over my lids, just to kind of base it off for my eyeshadow. And for my graduation look, since my graduation was, I did graduate on Modern Renaissance by ABH palette, and I love this palette. Actually, I lied. I also went in with the Maybelline Blush Nudes palette. I love Maybelline. Maybelline is like my go-to. And then just with like a packing brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take the lightest color, which is this one right here, and I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer just by kind of packing it on. I don't set it with translucent powder or any other type of powder because it usually tends to not let my eyeshadow go on as smoothly as I want it to. So yeah. So I'm just going ahead and setting it. Going into the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm gonna go ahead and take Golden Orchid, this one, the second color right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this color. Kind of set it as my transition color, not transition, but kind of like the base of the eyeshadow. And I'm gonna take it from the outer corner all the way into the inner corner, and just kind of blending with windshield wiper motions.
Rufus, boy, let me love, boy, what you know. Rufus, boy, let me love, boy, what you know. Rufus, boy, let me love, boy, what you know. Rufus, boy, let me love. Caught up in my
burnt orange, the bottom color. With a blending kind of brush, I'm gonna use that to kind of pack it on because it fits better in those places. Go ahead and blend this a little bit higher. Just going to blend it kind of like the base color and then kind of like the transition color, you would call it, together. And I'm gonna take like this brush, kind of like the stackable brush, and I'm gonna go ahead with Realgar, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it right here in the outer corner.
Don't care what you say to me, I'ma bite your feelings out. I miss you in the basement, but your brother was a good substitute for you. If you love me,
and then with a different brush, with the more fluffier type of brush, I'm gonna go ahead and
never let me know. Say sorry, honey, you never really show me. And I can leave a card without ever letting you know.
then go back to the Beauty Treats palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and take kind of the same light shade, the fourth shade in a row, the one that I use on my whole eyelid, and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of cut crease it a little bit in the center of my eyelid. And with my finger, I'm just gonna pat it down a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead with a kind of same type of flat brush and set that with the Tempera, kind of more of a goldy shadow. So I use this kind of to set the concealer, and then I'm going with Primavera and just tap that on there, you know what I'm saying, kind of giving me a rosy color, a rosy look. I'm gonna go ahead into Rigo and kind of retap this to make sure there's no harsh. ahead and go in with the L'Oreal liner. I forgot what it's called, but it has a gold cap. And yeah, wing out my eye. Finish this eye and the eyeliners and added falsies, and the falsies that I used were the Ardell Wispies. So, and I used the dual glue in dark tone, which is not my favorite. I like the one that comes in the little, in this one, like in the little pouch, the squeezable one. I like that one better. So now I'm gonna go ahead and kind of outline my eyebrows, you know, my little eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Tempera, and I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of highlight my brow bone with that color. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way in Warm Beige. Love this foundation so much. It's awesome. And I'm just going to take like a foundation brush and kind of just swipe it all over my face. I love this foundation so much. For me, a little goes a long way, so I really don't apply too much foundation. Going brief intermission. I lost my concealer. Oh no, found it. And then going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in light. Is this a 10?
Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love. Caught up in my tape. Don't care what you say to me, I'ma bite your feelings out. I missed you in the basement, but your brother was a good substitute for you.
strong. And highlight where, of course, my cheekbones.
My cupid's bow. And my nose, the tip of my nose.
I go in with the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray and just spray it on my face. Last but not least is my lipstick, and I'm using the NYX Liquid Suede in 04, which is Soft Spoken. This is kind of it for my graduation makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials. This is kind of my finishing look. And yeah.
I can feel your energy pulsating down my spine.